Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rainbow House. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking and a fitness center. Located in Davenport, Rainbow House provides accommodations with a private pool and free Wi-Fi. This vacation home is 12 miles from Disney's Boardwalk and 13 miles from Disney's Hollywood Studios. The air-conditioned vacation home is composed of 6 separate bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 6 bathrooms. Towels and bed linen are provided in the vacation home. Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park is 12 miles from the vacation home, while Disney's Wide World of Sports is 12 miles away. The nearest airport is Winter Haven's Gilbert Airport, 19 miles from Rainbow House. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.